Hi and welcome. I'm Trevor Rogers and I'm extremely excited to share with you an amazing system developed by StockPicks Made Easy that will transform the way you look at generating income and ultimately creating financial freedom. And today you're going to discover a ton of information in a short amount of time. Perhaps the single most life-changing system you'll see to generate passive income. And what I'm going to share with you is the secret to investing that is so simple yet so powerful that you may be left thinking, well, why haven't I heard of this before today? It is so easy that anyone can use this system with a few clicks of a mouse on your computer or a few swipes on your mobile device. All it takes is a little practice. We've developed this system in line with our commitment to make a real difference to people's financial future. And what I'm talking about is taking advantage of seasonal price cycles based on the influences of consumer spending habits. Think about it. Different seasons have different needs. In summer, the demand for things like summer clothes, outdoor activities, and camping equipment, they rise. And as demand increases and sales increase, it makes sense that the value of the companies supplying these products will increase also. And likewise, winter brings on different demands, such as warmer clothes, heating, winter sports, and again, as sales increase, so does the value of the company supplying those products. Obvious when you think about it, isn't it? Every season has consistent spending patterns. So knowing this information in advance gives us a short window of time where we can generate gains of 50% and 100% and sometimes more in just days. So with the seasons, certain stocks go up or down during the same time every year. By having access to the in-depth market research from StockPicks Made Easy, it's possible in a matter of days to generate these gains while at the same time protecting 95% of your investment capital. Sound good? Well, when I discovered this system, it blew my mind. And the system I'm going to share with you is called the Seasonal Cash Flow Calendar. So how does it work? Well, I'm going to show you how the StockPicks Made Easy strategy works right now. First off, let's look at a company called Procter & Gamble, a well-known household brand that consumers know and trust. Here's the historical data for Procter & Gamble between October 23 and December 20. As you can see by the green bars, the price over this time period moved to the upside, and it did the same thing every year between those dates for the last 10 years. And the average return on the investment is 3.6% over that 10-year period. To help illustrate the price history of Procter & Gamble, here's a visual aid to give you the picture. The green area on the chart is indicating the company's stock price has gone up during the nominated dates. Now you can see the arrow moving to the right has gone higher by December 20, and it's gone up 3.3%. Now, looking at the way most people traditionally invest, say you have $5,000 and you want to invest in Procter & Gamble. You put the entire $5,000 into buying company shares, and it goes up 3.3% over a period of days between that October 23 and December 20. You'd make $165. Not exactly crash hot, but not bad, right? Now let's compare that with the StockPicks Made Easy strategy. Instead of needing $5,000 like we did with the traditional method, with StockPicks Made Easy you would only need $500. And if Procter & Gamble goes up 3.3% over that same time period, you make $500. Yeah, you heard correctly. That's a 100% return on your investment. Have I got your attention yet? Here's how it works. If you look at the red dot, this is the opening price on October 23. And the black line shows that all Procter & Gamble has to do by December 20 is stay above the black line, and you make $500. How good's that? And you can see that the red dot shows you Procter & Gamble closed above the line on December 20, generating a 100% return in 57 days. Actually, let's take a look at the StockPicks Made Easy seasonal calendar and the results for January. And let's look at what's possible using both the traditional method and the StockPicks Made Easy system, and we'll compare the two. So you can see the names of the companies on the left of the table. They are the 12 trades that were identified and recommended to our members to take for January. The next column shows the results for each trade using the traditional method of trading, where we have a stop loss limit that ensures you only ever expose 2% of your account on any one trade. Now this is crucial, and it ensures you don't lose large amounts of money on any one trade. In fact, you can see here that the trades that go against us, we only ever lose $100, which is the 2% of our $5,000 account. Now, at the end of these trades, we come out at a little over $2,300 ahead, which is pretty good, right? But let's compare that to the next column. Using the StockPicks Made Easy system, we come out at over $4,000 in front. Now that's better than just pretty good, that's incredible, and it would make a huge difference to most people financially. Not only that, the traditional method would actually require an investment of $60,000 for you to be able to take and cover all those trades in the first place. And for a return of $2,377. Whereas the StockPicks Made Easy system, you only need $5,000, a fraction of what you would need for the traditional method, but with massive return of $4,270 on your $5,000 investment. Now that I've shed some light on how it's possible to make these extraordinary results in a short period of time using the seasonal cash flow calendar, I'd like you to think about how this compares to traditional methods of investing, like savings accounts or term deposits, or mutual funds and even your superannuation, where you're led to believe that 7 to 10% per year is the normal expected return. And in fact, we should be grateful for that return and pay fees accordingly for the privilege. The sort of returns I'm sharing with you today should have you up on the edge of your seat right now. What would it be like for you having access to all these opportunities? Well, put yourself in the picture. It's January, and you've joined the StockPicks Made Easy team. You're excited, maybe a little nervous at the same time. If you're like me, you'll be really hopeful this works, but sort of quietly not surprised if it doesn't. But still, you can't wait to get started, and you've just put $5,000 into your trading account. And each week, you get an email from the StockPicks Made Easy team, and you place your trades. Come March, the trades are done, and it's time to see how you went. Now, as you open your account, your eyes are sort of squinting with that feeling of hope mixed with, oh, what have I done? And then you see it. Your account now shows $9,270. How would you feel? Alive? Excited? Maybe a little relieved? Bursting out of your skin with exhilaration? Personally, I couldn't wait for the next trades on the calendar to come through. It was like, I'm alive! Yeah, we get it. It's why we do what we do and why we share this system. So as you can see, year after year, various stocks go up or down during the same time periods, when all the seasonal patterns and criteria are activated. Just like fashion and sporting seasons, the stock markets leave seasonal clues providing predictable price direction that alerts the StockPicks Made Easy team to apply our special trading process, where we receive money up front during the seasonal price moves. Yeah, that's right. We get paid up front from day one. So what StockPicks Made Easy has created is an absolutely game-changing investment strategy. It's a system that predicts investors' future buying habits with an accuracy of 90%. By now, you're surely beginning to realize that what I'm showing you here today is providing you access to having the keys to the kingdom, where you have control of your financial future and have the power to generate passive income month after month, year after year. So far this year, the seasonal cash flow calendar has uncovered over 50 trading opportunities based on historical trends, which has provided opportunities to generate 100% returns as per the past calendar trades I've shared with you today, with 90% or better accuracy in these predictions. And in total, there are over 250 opportunities identified this year alone, using seasonal price patterns identified by StockPicks Made Easy. Now, there's going to be times when the seasonal cash flow calendar doesn't perform as well, such as in between seasons, and that's okay. As seasons shift and change direction, we've adopted a formula to create long-term success, even when the seasons are transitioning from one to the next. The key is having a proper money management plan and knowing how to control your investment. And what StockPicks Made Easy has incorporated into the seasonal cash flow calendar is the ultimate key to building wealth and keeping it. Allow me to explain. So you might start with a $5,000 investment account. The seasonal cash flow calendar identified 12 trades in the month of January. Now, taking all 12 trades, you're only ever risking $100 per trade, which comes from our money management rule. Only ever risking 2% of the $5,000 account size. Now, this is crucial to your money management plan and you need to observe it at all times. Now, looking at the StockPicks seasonal cash flow calendar for January, you can see that there are 12 coloured opportunities uncovered for that month. Now, this is how the StockPicks Made Easy system works. Starting with a $5,000 investment account, generating 5% growth per month, building wealth using the seasonal price calendar. Now, after 1 year generating a minimum of 5% per month, this compounds, and that's important to understand, and grows to $8,979, or a 79% growth. After only 5 years generating a minimum 5% per month, following the seasonal cash flow calendar, the account grows to $93,395, or an astounding 1,768% growth. Blows your mind, right? It still blows mine. But this is the power of compounding your investment. The key point here is only trading the seasonal trends to generate 5% a month with a 70 to 80% win rate. That's the minimum target. Everything else, it's icing on the cake. Now you might be thinking, well, what if I generate more than 5% a month like we did in January? That showed an even higher return. Well, yeah, you're right. And often this does happen. However, greed can muddy the waters and we prefer to be conservative. That way, we deliver on our commitment to make a difference to you financially, and anything above and beyond that is a bonus. Personally, I don't think too many people will be emailing me complaining that you made more money than we suggested you could. So forget Bitcoin or the hot stop tips from a friend or who's going to win race 3 at Randwick this Saturday. They're all hit and miss at best. And the banks and super funds will only ever offer the minimum acceptable, while they make the real money on your account. With the seasonal cash flow calendar, you can start building your wealth today with over 80% accuracy. But here's the thing, even at 60% success, you're still going to make money with this system. Think about it. Using the money management rules, let's say 2 more of the trades in January went the wrong way. We're still up over $3,800. Our account still shows $8,850 after the $5,000 initial investment. But the odds are stacked in your favour because we have the historical data of consumer spending habits over the last 10, 20 and even 30 years in some cases. The secret to our investment strategy is making small consistent gains over time using the seasonal cash flow calendar to generate 5 to 10% per month. So what would you expect to pay for thousands of hours of in-depth market research? Well, most professional traders would charge a minimum of $50 an hour for their time alone, and to research and interpret this information has taken over 2,000 hours. Now that represents $100,000 in market research labour alone. So would $1,000 a month be fair? I mean, on a $5,000 account in January, you would have made over $3,800, right? Well, in line with our commitment to make a real difference to people's financial future, Stock Picks Made Easy aren't going to ask anywhere near that much. Even if we look at the same $5,000 investment account returning between 5 to 10% per month, you'd be earning on average $575 a month. So what would you be prepared to pay for that? $200 a month? $150 a month? Well, what we're providing is a very limited offer, and it's only available to the first 100 members. We believe 100 members is an ideal number to be able to manage and make the biggest difference to you as a member, for you to get the most from us and the maximum benefit from this system. And when you become a Stock Picks Made Easy member, you receive access to this dashboard, where you can see the seasonal cash flow calendar and can view our live trade opportunities. Plus, join the Stock Picks Made Easy private group. Now that's limited only to exclusive members. The Stock Picks Made Easy team has made the website as simple as possible, providing an easy step-by-step process to investing. As a Stock Picks Made Easy member, you'll also receive weekly emails sharing the seasonal cash flow calendar research and upcoming opportunities, providing the name of the company and what the seasonal cash flow calendar has identified for the month ahead. All the research has been done for you. All you need to do is view the opportunities and practice the process by spending as little as 15 minutes a week. So how much would you expect to pay for that? Well, you also have access to the private Facebook group. Now this is where we get to collaborate with other members. We get support and ask questions, and most importantly, get those questions answered. We get to share the results and the success we've had so far, and we can access additional posts of seasonal trends to get the edge. It's also where the Stock Picks Made Easy team will be posting additional opportunities and updates for the current and upcoming trades. Now we've had this system and support network valued at over $11,000. And for a limited time, you can join the Stock Picks Made Easy team and test drive it for free for 30 days. That's right, free for 30 days. What have you got to lose? Once you trial and see the success for yourself, you then have this very limited opportunity. You can join on a month-by-month basis for a mere $49 US per month. Just think about that. Over 2,000 hours of market research. Years of developing and testing and back-testing this amazing system. Not to mention the continual support and coaching every step of the way. All for just $49 per month. But remember, this is limited to the first 100 members only. Now, some of you know for certain how great this opportunity is and that it's absolutely right for you. So congratulations, you want to secure your membership right now. Because by doing so, you take advantage of the $3.99 US 1-year membership special offer. By securing your 1-year membership right now, you'll be locking in the price of your membership for as long as you remain a member. But this special offer only applies to the yearly membership, and in 10 years' time, you'll still be paying $3.99 a year. In fact, sign up for our yearly membership, and not only will we lock the cost for the lifetime of your membership, we'll show you how you can get the program for free. Yeah, that's right, for free. So by now, your mind is no doubt spinning with excitement as to what's truly possible by having access to this incredible system. Think of what you could do with the additional income, the peace of mind that comes with securing your financial future, having the lifestyle you deserve in your retirement, or even retiring much earlier than you thought possible. Look, don't let this opportunity slip through your fingers. Take advantage of this limited offer right now. What have you got to lose? The only thing that will ever make any difference in your life is action. So take action now. Click on the link below or go to stockpicksmadeeasy.net and click on the Get Membership Now. Thanks for taking the time to watch this opportunity, and for those that join the Stock Picks Made Easy team, thank you for taking this on and for allowing us to contribute to your financial future. The team at Stock Picks Made Easy are so excited, and we are right beside you all the way. We look forward to speaking with you soon. So bye for now.